I had a moment the other day that stopped me in my tracks. I've been paying for life insurance since I was in my 20s, and at 55, the monthly premium went up. And then now, as I turned 65, I started looking deeper into it. Let me break it down. As I shared, I started my policy in my 20s, paying about $100 a month. I kept that until I was 55. Same policy. Then over the last 10 years, it went up to about $220 a month. Now at 65, they're telling me it's going to go up to $300 a month. That's $3,600 a year. If I keep this policy from age 66 to 82, I'd be paying for about 16 years. Because what they're telling me, that at 82, my policy completely goes away. 16 years times $3,600 a year, that's $57,600 more out of our pocket. And what do I get? $180,000 payout, but only if I pass away before 82. Now look, I'm in pretty good health for my age, but you never know. And that's really what this decision came down to. So I had to ask myself, do I want to spend nearly $60,000 more for something that eventually disappears? Especially when we already have a good amount of equity in our home, and I've got another small policy to cover immediate expenses. Then that's when it really started to hit me that this might not make sense anymore. And I think of a lot of us do this. We keep paying for things just because we always have. No questions, no second look. But sometimes you got to stop and ask, does this still make sense for me today? Because just because you've been paying for something your whole life doesn't mean you still should. So I know this was a serious message today, but I wanted to get that out because it's a decision we have to make in the next week. What do we want to do? Do we want to keep paying for this policy, or do we want to drop it? And I'm thinking I know what we're going to do. I can take that money every month and put it away in investments and such. That probably is going to be the decision we make. But anyway, wanted to share that with you guys today. If this inspires anybody to do videos like this, I'll tell you what, I say go do it. Because if I would have heard this message several years back, I probably more than likely would have looked at my policy and said, hey, wait a minute, what's going on? But I didn't question it till now. I don't know what prompted me to. I guess maybe because we're more on a fixed income. But anyway, that's the message today. So I hope this helps you guys. I hope this finds you guys well. And have a great week. And I'll catch you in my next video. I'll see ya.